This tutorial video shows how you can benefit from the newest TabShop feature, the user management. We added a new main menu field here on the right side of the screen with the user icon. If you click on that icon, you see that there are no users defined so far, and if you would like to create a new one. As long as you do not create any admin user, you're still free to enter any menu within TabShop without restrictions at all. As long as you do not have any users defined, you can see here on the invoices as well as on the cashier screen which table was selected. Select the second table here and which user is active at the moment. This information will also be printed on each invoice you finish. So let's define our first user here. So jumping to the user settings menu, I create a new user with which I call Simon. I define a password. I have to retype the password. And I define that Simon is the admin user. Okay. I will create a second user that is a simple cashiers user. I call it Mary. I type in a password and I select the normal user role. Save. So I see I have two users now. One admin user and one cashiers normal user that is not allowed to change any settings. If we jump back to the main menu, I can select the cashiers user, Mary. I have to type in the password in order to change the active user to Mary. And now you can see that Mary is active and finishes the invoices. So on each invoice, the table name as well as the cashier's name of the user, in this case Mary, is printed on. Okay, so if Mary would like to enter the settings menu, it's not possible for her. It's only possible for her to enter the cashier screen and the invoice screen. No other settings can be changed if you are the user, the normal user. So in order to change settings again, you have to change over to the admin user, type in the password. Of course, admin users can also finish invoices, but admin users can also change settings here. And you see, here is our users settings menu where you can add additional users like Bob and enter a password, retype the password, and that's it. So you see how you can use the new users feature in order to organize your cashiers flow.